Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today, and this is for my guest design team project for Kscrafts, and I've used the gift bag treat bag add-on from January. So this is the original release. It has the gift bag and the bunny. This is what the bag looks like. It's got the little jagged edges. And this had originally have the bunny ears and the bunny face. And so I use this. This is the side of the bag. Okay. I would leave the links in the description box below for this if it's still available. I'll try to find it on Amazon also. So here is the January add-on, gift bag add-on, and you get the fence, the picket fence, 2 styles of picket fences, and you get the chick. This is the baby chick frame or body, and then this is the sheep, the lamb. So you've got all these extra details and add-ons for each animal. The eyes, the bow, everything. Okay. So this is where you get the picket fence. And you don't have to use this just for the gift bag set. I could show you. This is the Christmas add-on. This is the gingerbread. I'm not going to open it up. But this little gingerbread head that has a body, I used it on a... I guess I have to open it up. Oh, no, I cannot. It's taped. It's secured. So I created this. I to share it, the link for this tutorial in the description box. But I created I don't know, a box for the embellishment boxes from Dollar Tree. All right, so like I said, I'll probably have another video showing how to add those on to my tutorial. So here is the first one. This is the gift bag, and I use the Recollections, I guess this is called acetate. No, it's softer than acetate, but it feels like, you know, that plastic that we used to use for table covers. So anyway, I cut it out of that and I stitched the bottom, and then when I was going to attempt to stitch the sides, I couldn't figure out how to feed it through because you can't get this edge under your sewing machine. So I ended up using double stick tape to close the sides. So you can see it here. It's a double stick tape. I know some people don't like seeing the glue or the tape, but you know, at all costs, this plastic, you know, it's kind of hard to use an adhesive that isn't going to show. And so this is the way the bag looks. And you've got the side gussets like that. And that's what the bag is going to look like. I did add a grommet, an eyelet. This is the bunny add-on. And then I cut the fence. I cut it out and then I cut off a part of it so that it wasn't so tall. So I didn't want it to go too far up. And then this, I created a pocket behind the bunny. So I used double-sided tape to glue it down to attach it to my bag. So there's still a pocket behind the bunny. And this is what my bunny looks like. I love this one. This is Recollections, like I said. So I don't know if you could find any more, but yeah. So that's my first bag. The add-ons for the January bag, gift bag, is the baby chick. And this I made into a pocket. I did add another eyelet up here I used the fence. This is the full size of the fence. You can see here it looks different. But isn't it cute? I love the little hands. I did cut it out of foam, and then I used glitter to decorate my baby chick. And like I said, this is a pocket, so you can add extra goodies or a gift card or your card for the recipient. And then I'm going to work on a dangle for these bags, but for now that's what these bags look like. And then the last one I cut out of just regular cardstock, and this one was one of those 12 by 12 big sheets with the sentiment right in the middle. So I cut it out like that. And then this is the wreath that went around it, so I used it to cut my sides. And then my little lamb, my baby lamb, I couldn't figure out the eyes, so I used one too many, I guess. I don't know. Here's the little swirlies that make the wool look curly. So I added it onto there. I also backed it on some cardstock because I didn't want it to see through to the bag. When I was laying it out, you know, dry fitting it, you could see the bag behind it. So I put it on top of cardstock. And that's what they look like. I have some clear tape over here because the die cutting machine sliced it all the way through, so I just used some tape. So this is what my little lamb looks like, and then I added some foam from Dollar Tree behind the fence, and so you could see his little head peeking up from behind the fence. And look at his little ears, and again I have a little eyelet up on the top. I think the eyes look a little crazy, but I got to work on that. But for now, this is what it looks like. I think it's so cute. I don't have any goodies in them, but this took me pretty much a while because I got stuck making this one. I couldn't figure out my sides, but after that, yeah, it all came together pretty nicely. Again, this one is cardstock, but I added the laminate on top. So look at the little swirls. I thought that was a really pretty touch onto that. These little feathers at the very top do not come with it. I freehand cut that and added behind my bow. And these little hearts come with the baby chick. I just added it for the cheeks. And yeah, added the foam on the wings here. And that was it, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the description box down below for any goodies that you are interested in. Yeah, I thought this was a cute idea. It's good for swaps and Happy Mail. So again, if you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.